Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 8i and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer in order to find your contact list, and now let's tap on the contact you would like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon and choose the camera icon right in the middle. So here you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose it from the gallery, and I will obviously pick this option. Let's find the album from which we'd like to set the photo, just tap on it, and as you can see it will appear right here. So just tap on this tick icon in order to select the photo, and here we can crop the picture. So as you can see, you can zoom it in or out just like you want to, and position it in this circle because this area is responsible for what will be after that displayed. So let's position it as I said, and if you're happy with the results, just tap on the tick icon again, and as you can see it will immediately appear right here. So remember again to tap on the tick icon to confirm, and the photo immediately appeared on the contact. After getting back to the contact list, you will be also able to see it, and whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your HUAWEI Nova 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.